The 2026 Dodge Super Bee makes its comeback as one of the most exciting muscle cars of the modern era. Built with Dodge's legacy of raw power, bold styling, and a mix of modern technology, the Super Bee is designed to thrill drivers who crave both heritage and performance. This car is more than just a revival. It's a statement that the muscle car era is alive and evolving. When it comes to the exterior, the 2026 Super Bee brings back the aggressive lines and muscular stance that Dodge fans expect. The front fascia is sharp with a bold grille, air intakes that scream performance, and signature LED headlights that merge retro inspiration with futuristic detail. From the side profile, wide body fenders, aerodynamic sculpting, and 20-inch performance wheels give it a dominating road presence. The rear is equally striking, with a sleek spoiler, modern taillights, and a dual exhaust system that adds to its menacing look. Under the hood, Dodge offers two incredible powertrain options. A supercharged HEMI V8, delivering over 700 horsepower for the purists who want the roar of a true muscle car, and an electrified hybrid variant that combines instant torque with fuel efficiency while still pushing impressive performance numbers. Acceleration is blistering, capable of going from 0 to 60 in just about 3.5 seconds. The suspension system has been tuned for both drag strip fun and smooth highway cruising, while Brembo brakes ensure stopping power matches the car's speed. Dodge has also integrated drive modes, letting drivers switch between eco, sport, track, and drag settings to adapt the car's personality to the road. Inside, the Super Bee blends retro muscle car attitude with modern luxury. The cockpit is driver-focused, with sport bucket seats wrapped in premium leather and suede, along with embroidered Super Bee logos that give it a unique identity. A large digital instrument cluster provides real-time performance data, while a 12-inch infotainment screen supports the latest Uconnect system, wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a premium Harman Kardon sound system. Ambient lighting and customizable interior themes make the cabin feel both futuristic and inviting. Safety has not been overlooked in this performance machine. Advanced driver assistance features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking come standard. The structure of the car is reinforced with high-strength materials, while airbags and stability control systems provide extra layers of protection. Even with its high-performance DNA, Dodge ensures that the Super Bee gives drivers confidence in both speed and safety. The 2026 Dodge Super Bee is more than just a car. It's a rebirth of a legend with a modern twist. It pays homage to its heritage while embracing the future of performance, blending raw muscle with cutting-edge technology. Whether it's the growl of the V8 or the instant surge of hybrid torque, the Super Bee is ready to dominate streets, tracks, and hearts once again.